AI tools that are going to make you rich. And I got to put a personal disclaimer in here. I was like everyone else when I first started learning about AI and started hearing it. I thought it was just going to be a giant pile waste of time and that it was just going to be another thing that I was going to have to learn that actually provided no value to me and my business. But now, actually adopting AI into my business, it has been a freaking game changer. It has been a game changer in the amount of productivity that I've been able to do, which leads me to making more money. And the best part is, it's actually cut down immensely on my business expenses. My business is now netting more money instead of having to shell out all these extra costs because AI solves certain tools. Where a lot of times people want to generate more revenue, they want to get more leads, they want to do all this, when really just cutting down on your expenses and putting more money into your pocket is probably the best way for you to hit your actual goals. So if you're someone that wants to get rich, these AI tools are going to help you do that. So one thing I really want to emphasize with people watching this is AI is upon us. You got to start adopting it today so you can be on the leading edge and being able to implement it into whatever you're doing in your life so that you don't get left behind during the AI adoption. Now that I've personally been exposed to the juiciness of AI tools, I feel compelled that I have to share my experience and how great of an impact it's personally had on my life and my business to everyone else. So if you're someone that's looking to see what the best AI tools are going to be and how to actually implement AI into your business, well then hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date. But for the people that want to start adopting it today, well go to my Instagram, Russell Mortlock Real Estate, and send me a DM saying AI tools, and I'll send you a copy of what tools I believe are the best and had the greatest impact on me. So let's dive into and unpack all the juiciness that AI has so you can see firsthand for yourself and what tools are going to make you rich. The first is a customer service application. It's called Tidio AI, and this can replace entire customer support teams and have the AI application actually respond to people in support and give a better overall customer experience. The number one complaint with all these services, and no matter what business you have, is you maybe have one person or you may have a massive team of support, but they don't actually care and provide that good of a service. Where this AI application can provide quicker responses, which is the major frustration for any person who's running some sort of customer support team. The next one, this has been an absolute game changer in terms of productivity, is called Opus Clip. So this application, actually you upload your YouTube videos in it and it develops you 8 generated short form clips that you can post directly from the platform. I don't know how much money I've spent on editors and just people in my own personal time going through my videos, trying to repurpose content and finding where the best hooks are, where the best pieces are going to be from that video. Opus Clip does this all itself, where it finds the best hooks, put that at the start, and then blends different parts of the videos in so it flows and develops the most engaging short form clips. And it rates it out of a score on how much virality it believes that it's going to produce. This app has been an absolute game changer, and when I mean it makes you rich, it increases your productivity so you can start putting out more content to get more leads, grow your business, and having to cut down expenses. So this is a win-win overall. The next one, I gotta plug ChatGPT because this personally helped me absolutely bang out more YouTube videos than I ever have in my entire life. With me launching a new business, I wanted to create a funnel with YouTube. So I had an audacious goal of doing over 156 YouTube videos in a 3-week period of time, with filming them all and writing them all. I was able to do this with ChatGPT. It used to take me an entire week to write one YouTube script. This has given me a 52,000% return on my time and productivity to bang out and actually develop this massive funnel that I'm doing to grow my new business. I can't express how big of a game changer this was. I used to dread creating the YouTube scripts. I loved researching them. I loved trying to find new things to make it engaging for the viewers and trying to think of ideas on how can this be better, but actually writing them out, doing them, planning them just seemed like a mundane task. Now with ChatGPT, I can do this in minutes. The next one is durable.co. So I know personally when I was starting out my business, I didn't really have the money to invest into someone to help me design my website and make me a website. But because I didn't know how to do it and because I was struggling to create it myself when I took on this role, I ended up hiring a company to do this service for me, and it cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. I can now use Durable and make a website in less than 30 seconds. So just imagine everything when you want to evolve a new business idea or you want to start something new. Instead of you getting bogged down for months and months trying to create a website, I can whip one up in less than an afternoon, have it completely what I want, and start trying to get new business to whatever I'm doing or evolve on what you're trying to do. This application is amazing, so if anyone who's watching these videos have used the tools that I'm talking about, drop in the comments below which ones have had the best impact on you and what use cases you use them for. Next one is called Doc Ask. So for me, I am the worst person for reviewing really large legal documents and going through all the fine-tuned details because it takes me so long to read them. And I used to have to pay lawyers and all these other people thousands and thousands of dollars in my legal team to review all this stuff for me. You can use this tool to extract what are the main points and things that you need to know when reading these documents. Let's move to productivity enhancement. This is going to be Microsoft Copilot. Copilot assists you in using all Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint, Word doc, where it can then help creating PowerPoints for you. It can help screening your email. It can help you managing your emails. It can summarize meetings for you. Overall, just enhancing your productivity. So if you want the everything app that's going to evolve your business, I would 100% recommend Microsoft Copilot. And if you want to see the AI tools that I'm personally using for my business, well then go to my Instagram, russellmortlock.realestate, and shoot me a DM saying AI tools. I'll provide you a copy of what tools I'm currently using.